Hello my viewers, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, nourishing our bodies with the most delicious food as we embrace the fabulous chapter of life after 40. We all know age is just a number, but wouldn't it be even more fabulous if we could feel absolutely radiant from the inside out? That's why I'm excited to share some absolute star ingredients, foods so packed with goodness that they'll help us glow, thrive, and feel utterly divine. So, my viewers, let's embark on this culinary journey together. Get ready for a delightful exploration of flavors and nourishment. First on our list, we have these little jewels. Blueberries. They're bursting with antioxidants, those amazing defenders that help our bodies fight off damage and aging. Think of them as tiny but mighty superheroes for your cells. And the best part? They're incredibly versatile. Scatter them over yogurt, blend into smoothies, or bake into a crumble. A blueberry crumble with vanilla ice cream is my weakness. Be adventurous or simple with blueberries. Fold into pancake batter, sprinkle on salads, or enjoy a handful. Trust me, your body will thank you. Now, let's talk about salmon, shall we? This oily fish is a superstar for heart and brain health, thanks to omega-3 fatty acids. They're like the WD-40 of our bodies, keeping everything running smoothly. And the taste? Simply divine. A perfectly grilled piece of salmon, flaky and tender. It's easier than you think. Olive oil, salt, pepper, and lemon. Grill or bake it for a restaurant-quality meal. Now, my darlings, don't turn your noses up just yet. I know some people think broccoli is boring, but trust me, this humble vegetable is a true green goddess. It's packed with fiber, which is fantastic for our digestion. It's also a brilliant source of vitamins, including vitamin C, which is a real booster for our immune systems. And the best part is, it's so easy to prepare. Steaming is my favorite method because it keeps all those lovely nutrients intact. Simply chop the broccoli into florets, give them a quick steam until they're tender crisp, and then toss them with a drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice. Utterly simple, utterly delicious. Now, let's talk about keeping those energy levels up, shall we? As we get older, it's perfectly normal to feel a little less energetic than we used to. But that's where whole grains come in. They're like little powerhouses of sustained energy, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and preventing those dreaded energy slumps. Think quinoa, oats, brown rice. All these wonderful grains are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for a healthy and happy you. I love starting my day with a bowl of creamy porridge made with oats, topped with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey. It's the perfect way to fuel up for the day ahead. Now, let's talk about snack attacks, those moments when you just need a little something to tide you over. Forget the crisps and chocolate, my darlings. Reach for a handful of nuts instead. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, keeping you feeling satisfied and energized. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, they're all fantastic choices. Keep a small bag in your purse or desk drawer for those moments when hunger strikes. They're also delicious, sprinkled over salads, adding a wonderful crunch and a boost of flavor and nutrition. Finally, let's end on a sweet note, shall we? Now, I don't believe in depriving ourselves, but I do believe in making healthier choices that still feel indulgent. And that's where Greek yogurt comes in. It's thick, it's creamy, it's packed with protein and probiotics, which are fantastic for our gut health. I love to enjoy a bowl of Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey and some fresh fruit for a light and refreshing dessert. It's the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt. And the best part? It's so versatile. Use it in smoothies, dips, or even as a healthy substitute for sour cream in recipes. Trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you. So there you have it, my viewers. A handful of my favourite foods for feeling fabulous after 40. Remember, it's all about nourishing our bodies from the inside out with delicious, wholesome foods that make us feel our absolute best. Thank you so much for joining me on this culinary adventure, my viewers. I hope you found it helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. And be sure to leave a comment below, letting me know your favourite foods to eat for a healthier, happier you. Until next time.